Hi, you. You're eating your big boy apple? Eating your apple like a big boy? Yum, 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 yum. Oh, fingers. Try this piece. Try to pick it up. Oh no, it's gone. Now that one. Oh, they're all gone. What about this one? 2 hands. Good boy. Yeah. You're such a big boy. Ah, no hands. Want some help? You got it. Oh, I'll help you. I'll help you. There we go. Fingers at the same time? Oh, yuck. You like apples, huh? I love apples, Mama. Hey. Oh, you're gonna get the whole thing in there? You're crazy.
You want to plant an apple seed?
Stop shoving it in there. There you go.